First chance hood ornament. Some PSI from the turkey.
Cooked on there.
Cooked pumpkin, if anyone wants any.
Cole's out here in the shop. Running some measurements on the old Hoodstack. What's the game plan?
Me and Joe may or may not be headed to go get a pumpkin for a certain project here. We might be able to put 2 and 2 together, but something decently sized. I think we found a winner.
Short and fat. What we got here?
This is the pumpkin. This is the one. It's gonna be first chance hood ornament for the October season.
October season.
Yes.
So are you gonna get a turkey for Thanksgiving and put a turkey
This is the one.
on the hood?
A whole $4. Can't complain.
Dude, we're gonna have a lot of fun for $4. There's the old lady that's gonna be wearing this pumpkin here in a minute.
That's the old girl right there.
That's a nice pumpkin. Here. Back here at the old shop. Let's see what we got going
Back here
on.
from the old Walmart. $4 pumpkin. On Walmart helping out with that. We got the old stack, or the miter stack for the first gen here. I'm gonna kind of sever this up on here. Bam. Okay, circle, hood stack, drawn. Now comes the fun part of cutting this and gutting it and trying not to throw up. Fast and easy way to carve your pumpkin.
Thanks to good old Milwaukee tool.
Just cut it a little wide there. Come back over here. Bam.
You don't want any of that? Does it really make you sick? It's just pumpkin guts. Cole doesn't like the nastiness of a pumpkin. Some of you guys are freaking gross about this.
Easy. Milwaukee, job well done. Sawzall.
That's why we only run with Milwaukee's.
Sawzall. Literally, sawzall.
Pumpkins, 2x4s, pipe, hands, anything. Hacksaw for the win again.
Quick work.
Smooth.
Bam.
Smooth.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
what's next?
figure out where we're gonna put our face. Probably right here, where the rough spot is, roughly.
Do you want to stage it on the hood and see how the pumpkin sits?
Stage it. This is what we're working with. Gonna get to cutting this out, and then show you guys the finished product. PSI from the turkey. That went pretty good. Handled all the PSI, so we're good there. Ooh,
It's a little
little bit of a cooked pumpkin there, and it kind of cooked it on the old hood stack.
It's all right.
It's all right, a little buffed out.
Yeah.
But we're gonna put this back on and go drive out in the public and see if we can either get in trouble or get some reactions.
Literally smells like cooked pumpkin. It's coming in the window.
That sounds like straight cooked pumpkin. Bumpiest part of the road.
That guy turned his head. He's laughing on the sidewalk. Just passed a cop.
I don't.
Oh, come on.
Gosh dang it.
We'll get there. We'll get one of them. Say a fish for police on pre-Halloween. Put a pumpkin on your hood. And that guy's got a dog on his motorcycle. Every time he lays into it, it blows all this burnt sugar soot through the vents and everywhere, so it smells like burnt pumpkin in this cab right now.
Smoking a pumpkin 101.
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
You can eat this thing after, so. That lady was staring. The dog was giving us the steak eye for this pumpkin.
He was too busy.
I don't even think he's paying attention to traffic. Let's see if we can reel this one in now. Oh, she noticed.
Come on.
Literally won't turn around. She saw it though. It's alright, slow it up, give him a little smoke show. This is the dude. He laughed, but then they were just like, what is that? Cruising back, we're gonna see if we can bounce this thing off the hood with the railroad tracks or not.
Don't do it. Brace yourselves.
I'm holding the camera, but I'll brace myself the best that I can.
Nada.
Didn't even think about it. Oh! And there she went.
Well, everyone, as you can tell, we lost the pumpkin. Reactions were subpar. We were hoping, we thought it was pretty freaking hilarious, but we got a bit of pumpkin left on her.
Got it all over the hood. Look at that.
Right there. Oh, that's crispy.
Yeah, it's like
That's hot.
cooked on there.
Ooh, cooked pumpkin, if anyone wants any. And that's a wrap.